shots, film director, Lee Van Walker, Earth Science, beginning of the Bible, Testament. Look at that. Look at the covenant in the sky. Earth, moons, suns, and stars. Scientific notation going far. Who we are. Mammals, reptiles, rodents, and all the rest are classified. Scientific human nature of exposure. A lot of erosion. Stories brought to a closure. Behind not fond of the mysteries of life. Like the mystery is why the vantage of your wife left after night. Life is sun. Life could be dim. Life is condemned. Life is higher than a basketball rim. It's to the galaxy and further. Past the suburban and all this swerver. Back to the land, the crevice, the plateau. Radical point of views. Black and blue, scientific people screw everything they can shoe or try to paint the picture of at a scientific point of view. Nobody know the real mathematics of life and all this makeup and chemistry except for Jehovah. That's why life is over. Plus the bite of a cobra.